Okay, so let me ask you this. What are pros and cons of being a software engineer? And so again, context, you don't have to answer this, but like, I don't know if you plan on doing this forever, right? Like, I don't know if you plan on doing this 20, 30 years from now. Like, you're in and you're like, well, I hate this, I'm about to go start a business. I don't know, whatever it is, right? But just since you've been working in the field, in terms of when you wake up in the morning, you're getting ready to go to work, or if you're finishing your evening, what are aspects of the job where you're proud of, you're happy about, you're satisfied, you're content? And then what are some of the things that maybe it's kind of like a thorn there to where it's like, I wish I didn't have to do this. I don't really feel like doing this as much. So just pros and cons.
Yeah. Okay. So I have to state the obvious. Pros is the salary and compensation. I think everyone knows that engineers get paid well, and that's very true. It's another pro that the work environment is very laxed. Up until recently, a lot of the companies had like work from home, like really awesome like work from home policies as well. Depending on your specific interests, the people can be really cool to work with. I would say those are about all the pros.
Yeah.
The cons are the work can be very, very challenging. So one thing that I think is funny, a lot of people who are engineers specifically for big tech companies, when they first get the job, they are bombarded with how much work it is. And so that's something they don't really tell you. Like, it's pretty common to work a 10-hour day, maybe like once a week or so. Like that's pretty normal, especially starting off in your career. So that's a con. I would say a pro, as in, I mentioned one pro was the people you work with. That also can be a con, depending, but I'm sure that's consistent across any working environment.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd really just say the cons for engineering specifically are the intense workload. But hopefully that does go down the more senior you become, the more interested you become.